Hey everybody, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Jamie and I am a Halloween haunter. I build a big display in my yard every year. I build my own animatronics and props and I make videos for you guys. So if that's something you're into, like and subscribe. We have a great community. We bounce a lot of ideas off each other and it's absolutely free. That being said, I am not a Halloween toy collector or a reviewer. If you're into that type of content, check out the amazing Raymond Castile's Basement of Horror, linked in the description below. Today's episode is brought to you by 10-year-old Jamie. If you're familiar with these NECA figures, you know that the mask isn't supposed to come off. I want to see what's underneath this mask. Is it just two eyeballs looking at you? Is it an entire face? Let's do this.
Step right up, come on in, join the show, it's about to begin.
I don't know about you guys, but anytime I hit a new target out in my area and I find a stack of these, the majority of them are always Vampire Girl. So we'll be taking my aggressions out on this particular figure today. All kidding aside, I already own this figure, and I do see it an awful lot, so I just thought I would grab this for this episode. I grew up wearing these costumes as a kid at Halloween time. My brothers and me, we called them rubber band mask costumes. You know, I didn't know what Ben Cooper was at the time, but I do recall this artwork. And in my opinion, NECA knocked it out of the park with these. I haven't taken any of mine out of box just because they display so well. This is my first time opening one, and I have seen a lot of unboxings on these. And a lot of these reviewers, as well as myself, have questioned what's underneath these masks, so we're about to find out. Man, that's kind of eerie. I am a little disappointed. I really thought there was going to be like a generic nose and mouth. Comment below, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Did you think there was going to be a full face under that mask?